Notice the sheer force of the water, never giving up, never standing still. See the little plant in the middle. It seems to be struggling, but it's been there for ages. The water finds its way around the rocks. Notice how green it is around the river. The water gives nutrients to the soil, and the soil makes the trees grow. And nature and us benefit from the oxygen that is being produced. A small river, but quite mighty. See the plant again in the middle, in the center of the screen, center of the river. It seems to be struggling, but it's still standing. Do you feel like that sometimes? Should we be the water or the plant? The sun shines on the rocks. The moss is super green and moist. The grass soft and long. Imagine having your feet in this water. How would it feel? Imagine touching the plants. Would you go where the water takes you? Or would you stand still like the plant? Notice how the sun shines. This is in the forest, but it exactly gives enough space for the plants to grow and flourish. Look around, notice the tiny details.